guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook humba. I got already a pork spare ribs here guys. I got black whole pepper, the chili powder, and I'm going to add the onions because I love onions in my humba. Ayan, and ginger. Ayan, ginger guys, and garlic. I love garlic. Mini garlic there. I love garlic. Ayan, and some bay leaves. I put 4. Break it. Ayan. So that one guys. And I'm going to add silver swan soy sauce. We add that one. Ayan. Add. So maybe about that one. To 1 spoon I think. And then apple cider vinegar. Ayan. So add that one there. Ayan siya guys. And we add cooking salt. About that one. Like that. Maybe more. And then sugar. So guys, I put one spoon of sugar. I use white because I don't have a brown sugar today, so I just use white sugar. Ayan, it's like a sword. Ayan, just 1 spoon. Now we add water. Now we're gonna add water to cook it. Ayan. And the water just like that guys. Okay. Ayan, so we put the lid on. Bring to boil and simmer maybe around an hour or so, or check it after 1 hour if the meat is tender, because I cut the meat like this one, just a little chops a bit. So cook about 1 hour guys maybe. So we'll just check after 1 hour. Okay, see you. Ayan, ang sarap ng humba. Ayan, suluto na ang ating humba guys. Ayan, madali na lang siyang maano, na ano na siya. Natanggal na sa ano yung bones. Ang sarap na nito guys. Grabe. Ayan, sobrang sarap. Ayan. How to take photos in there?
Don't want to take that photo.
I didn't take photos.